So hi to all, this is Deepika. I am going to explain benzene and its derivatives. Introduction. First the introduction part. As we know that benzene formula is C6H6. Benzene and all those compounds are resemble benzene in their chemical behavior and termed as a aromatic. So in this sem we are going to learn about the aromatic compounds. So mainly benzene and its derivatives. Benzene is an aromatic compound having the formula of C6H6. It contains 6 carbon atoms and 6 hydrogen atoms and 3 conjugated double bonds. So conjugated means alternative double bonds are called conjugation. Next, aromatic compounds having one or more benzene. The aromatic compounds contain one or more benzene ring structure in its chemical structure. Aromatic compounds having one or more benzene rings in their molecules are called benzenide compounds. So they are named as the benzenide compounds or benzenoids. As for example, we are taking the examples of benzene, toluene, xylene and chlorobenzene phenol. So we can explain these structures. So benzene can also written as in 3 structures. So nomenclature and derivatives of benzene. So for every compound, we should give the naming of the compound, each compound. So we must follow some of the rules. Those rules are called IUPAC rules. IUPAC is nothing but International Union of Purely Applied Chemistry. So next, for monosubstituted benzene derivatives. Mono means single substituted. For example, we taking the benzene ring. So in each carbon we consist hydrogen. One of the hydrogen is replaced with this X atom. This is the monosubstituted. For example, disubstituted. This is disub. Here 2 groups are attached. And next, for more than 2 is called polysubstituted compounds. So this is polysubstituted. So I am going to explain the positions of benzene. Positions of hydrogen in its ring structure. This position is called ortho position, meta position. This is para position, ortho, meta, para. So here also same, ortho, meta and para. Ortho, meta, para. So when these substitutions are attached, for example, this X atom is attached in the ortho position. O, for the naming should give O. First start with the name. So we can discuss in detail. So for monosubstituted benzene derivatives. Name of the monosubstituted benzene derivatives is obtained by placing prefix name of the substituent to the word benzene. So for taking the example of bromobenzene. So we can easily say it is a bromobenzene. First name of the substituent. Substituent name is here bromine. So bromine is attached to the benzene. So it is a monosubstitute. Only one substitution is there, so called monosubstituted. So bromobenzene. Word root. What benzene? For benzene it is added as a bromo. As a prefix means before the naming. And next, here nitro group is attached. So nitrobenzene. Here iso. When the carbon is attached to the second last when the methyl groups are attached to the second last carbon, so that it is named as iso. We know that. Isopropyl benzene. So there are 3 carbons, 1, 2, 3. Iso means second last. Here we considering it is a second last carbon. So for example, you can give numbering 1, 2 and 3. So here is the second last carbon is attached to the 2 methyl groups. So it is given as a isopropyl benzene. And next, in some cases the name of the substance is written after the benzene. So in some exceptional cases, so here is benzene diazonium chloride. Here two nitrogens are there, so it is called as a diazonium. When nitrogen is attached, is called azonium. Nitrogen means aza, sulfur means sulfa, phosphorus means phospa, oxygen means thia. So like that names are given. So here first write the benzene. Normal ring is the benzene here. Next di. Here we consider two nitrogens. So diazonium. So nitrogen we can name it as a azonium chloride. So the main is chloride. Nitronium diazide chloride. Next, so it is a sulfonic acid. We know that benzene sulfonic acid. Next, some derivatives have special names like, so when amide group is attached, it is given as a aniline. When methoxy group is attached, it is called as anisole. When methyl group is attached, it is called toluene. When carboxylic acid group is attached, it is called benzoic acid. And next, when alcohol group is attached, it is called as a phenol. So sorry, hydroxyl group, alcohol, not phenol. And next, for disubstituted benzene derivatives. So when two substituents are added, that is called disubstituted. Derivatives having two similar groups. Prefix is given di. Similar groups. When derivatives having similar groups. So we are considering two nitrogen groups. It is given as the name di. Is added before the name of the group. And the relatives of positions of the two groups are indicated by the symbol ortho, meta, para. So I previously I told about ortho, meta, para. Here we considering the para is the first position, ortho second position, meta, again para, again meta, again para. So here 1, 9, 4 are para positions, and next 2 and 6 are ortho positions. And next 3 and 5 consider as the meta positions. So the numbering also gives least numbering. So 1, 2, 3, 4. First number. So first position is ortho position. Ortho dibromobenzene. And next here, we consider the N nitrogen. So see here, in meta position there is a nitro group, and in para position also the numbering is given to the lowest number to the meta position. Meta dinitro, here two nitrogens are there, nitro groups are there, dinitrobenzene, dinitrobenzene. So here in para positions there are chlorine is there. It is given as a para dichlorobenzene. There is no problem because each chlorine is in the para positions only. Next, Derivatives having different groups and names named as a derivatives of the compound with the main functional group and position 1. So the each derivatives having the same functional groups having so they can give as the derivatives of its functional group. 4-nitro benzoic acid, here considered as acid, benzoic acid. So normal ring structure is a benzoic acid, and here phenol, 3-aminophenol, and here acetyl group, acetyl benzonitrile. So when CN is a substituent, it is given as a nitrile. When it is as a functional group, it is considered as a cyano. And next, third condition is if the both functional groups present in the substituent functional groups, then they have arranged in the alphabetical order. So different functional groups are attached. So it is named by the different groups. So it is named as first in alphabetical order. Numbering has to give in the same 1, 2, 3, 4 least numbers. According to least numbers, 1 bromo, 3 chloro, benzene. And next, fluorine and nitro group is there. So first to give the fluorine, because fluorine is a electronegative atom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and nitro. 1 fluoro, 2 nitrobenzene. Nitro group and ethyl group is there. So consider the first ethyl group. 1 ethyl, 4 nitrobenzene. And next for polysubstituted benzene derivatives. Give special names to the ring. Then the numbering of the ring begins with that substituent and the compound is named as its derivative. First give the numbering. Begins with the substituent. Give the numbering with the substituent and next consider the ring. So here consider the ring 2,3 dibromobenzoic acid. Is the main ring is the benzoic acid. First write its name, benzoic acid. 2,3 numbering, and next how many bromine groups are there? 2. So dibromobenzoic acid. Next, so here one. So when methyl group is attached to the benzene, it is called as a toluene. So write its name, toluene. So how many nitro groups are there? 3. So trinitro. Next, the positions, mention the positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in the place of second, fifth, sixth positions. In numberings we should give the commas. In number and word we should place the hyphen. If 3 different functional groups are present, the name is done as the derivative of the compound with the principal functional group at the positions. So if different functional groups, so here carboxylic acid and hydroxyl group are the different functional groups and substituent also there. So it is given first main functional group. So here the order of functional groups is there. So benzoic acid is the main. So write its name, benzoic acid. And next, where is the hydroxyl group? 4 hydroxy. And next, where is the position of the substituent? 3 bromo, 4 hydroxy benzoic acid. And next, in the same manner, aldehyde group and methoxy group. So aldehyde is a main. So name of this is main is benzaldehyde. So third position is a methoxyl group, 3-methoxy, and fourth position 4-hydroxy 3-methoxy benzaldehyde. Various groups are arranged in the alphabetical order with the group named first in the alphabetical order, getting the lowest locant. So always give the lowest numbering. So here consider the lowest numbering. First alphabetical order also we can give the lowest numbering. So chlorine 1, 2, 3 and 2 nitro groups are attached. 1 chloro, first position there is a chloro, 1 chloro, 2, 4 dinitrobenzene. And next here ethyl and nitro group and fluorine is attached. So first we consider the fluorine. Fluorine is the most electronegative atom and it is a first number. We should give the first numbering, but write in the alphabetical order. Here the condition is give the numbering lowest, but write in alphabetical order. So first ethyl group comes first, no? So 4 ethyl, 1 fluoro, 2 nitro benzene. So thank you for viewing my video.